Is it time to buy or sell Nebius Group N.v stock? In this video, we will explore Nebius Group N.v in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Nebius Group N.v as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 5.02. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 3.04%. This translates to an average return of 1.52% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further gains are anticipated within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 126.62% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging between 92.35% and 158.29%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects an 88.92% change. Our calculations predict that the stock's performance may vary from negative 5.05% to 99.03% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between 50.83 and 106.54. Our latest daily update for Nebius Group N.v features the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Nebius Group N.v stock, after gaining 3.04%. The Nebius Group N.v stock price increased by 3.04% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025. This rise took the price from 51.95 to 53.53. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 8.64%, with a low of 51.02 and a high of 55.43. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in a total drop of 3.25% during this period. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 6 million shares, with a total of 18 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $981.35 million. It is important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially serving as an early warning of upcoming changes in the following days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $55.75, while the lowest was $14.09. Currently, the price sits 3.98% or $2.22 below the 52-week high of $55.75, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Nebius Group, trading under the ticker symbol NBIS, is experiencing significant momentum, bolstered by a booming artificial intelligence business and strategic stakes in entities such as ClickHouse, Toloka, and Avride. With analysts speculating on its ability to monetize these investments, there's potential for considerable upside. Recent reports indicate that Nebius has emerged as a neutral alternative in the AI cloud space, enhancing partnerships with tech giants including NVIDIA, OpenAI, and Microsoft. This positioning has led Goldman Sachs to initiate coverage with a buy rating and set a price target of $68, reflecting a strong bullish sentiment. Although shares of Nebius surged nearly 100% in the first half of 2025 and have shown remarkable long-term growth potential, there is inherent volatility. The stock is described as a hyper-growth AI infrastructure play, yet it faces challenges including cash burn and a history of missing quarterly revenue estimates. As investors react to recent price movements, caution is advised, especially with an impending second quarter earnings report. While the stock is currently trending upward due to market narratives and expansion plans, the potential for price corrections exists if financial performance falters. In the long term, sustained success will depend on Nebius effectively managing its growth trajectory and transitioning toward profitability, particularly against the backdrop of fluctuating investor sentiment in the tech sector. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NBIS a buy rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Nebius Group N.v stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is deemed neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated this stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Nebius Group N.v. There are mixed signals in the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 30th of June 2025, and so far it has fallen 3.25%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The stock of Nebius Group N.v. also holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During corrections downward, there will be some support from the lines at $48.17 and $46.93. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 52 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nebius Group N.v. Nebius Group N.v. finds support from accumulated volume at $52.58. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock demonstrates average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.41 between its high and low, which corresponds to 8.64%. In the last week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 6.94%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nebius Group N.v., let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price compared to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. It's important to note that even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts are predicting a consensus estimate of negative $420. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nebius Group N.v. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nebius Group N.v. is at $55.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nebius Group N.v. encounters its first support level at $52.58. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $51.35, reflecting a decline of 4.07%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered from a pivot top that was identified 10 days ago. Is Nebius Group N.v. stock a good buy? Nebius Group N.v holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a good choice at these current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of July, we expect Nebius Group N.v to open lower by 203 of a dollar, starting trading at $53.33. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.